macOS Tahoe 26.5 came out on May 11, 2026. It's not a flashy update. Apple mostly used it to make the system more stable and lay the groundwork for some bigger stuff coming later. Still, there's some nice polish here, a bunch of security fixes, and a few features worth mentioning. Highlights? Let's start with Maps. Now there's a suggested places section when you search, so you'll see nearby spots based on what's trending or where you've been. Apple's also starting to roll out ads in Maps, and those are supposed to show up in full later this summer. If you have a Mac Mini, Mac Studio, or iMac, there's a new power setting. You can now turn your machine off or restart it using assistive switches, which is a big help for accessibility. And for folks with 2024 desktop Macs and newer, there's an option to auto-start the computer when you plug in the power, no need to touch the physical button. MagSafe chargers also got a little smarter. The light now turns green when your battery hits a limit you set, not just when it tops up to 100%. Messaging with people on non-Apple devices is more secure now thanks to RCS end-to-end encryption. For people who like to personalize their screens, there's a new Pride Luminance dynamic wallpaper, and the liquid glass interface elements look even smoother and more polished. Under the surface, Apple patched a whopping 79 security vulnerabilities, including 9 that affected the core system kernel. Core apps like Books, Freeform, Music, News, Podcasts, and Safari got stealthy updates too. Nothing too dramatic, but enough to keep things running smoothly. And for anyone paying for apps through the App Store, there are fresh billing options now, including monthly payments if you sign up for a year. All in all, it's a behind-the-scenes kind of update, but one that tightens things up and adds a touch of newness. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.